PSM subject video presentation. This video on the topic of noise pollution is made under supervision of Dr. MD Tanveer Alam, Dr. Malka Buland Akhtar, Dr. Talat Nahid. Definition of noise pollution. Noise pollution refers to the presence of excessive or disturbing sounds in the environment that may harm human or animal life, disrupt activities, or degrade environmental quality. Sound becomes noise when it exceeds acceptable levels, typically measured in decibels.
Types of noise pollution. Number 1, industrial noise originates from factories, mills, and industries. Includes sounds from machines, compressors, generators, etc. Number 2, transport noise from road traffic, cars, buses, motorcycles, railways, and aircraft. Most common in urban areas. Number 3, construction noise generated by buildings and infrastructure projects. Includes drilling, hammering, bulldozing, etc. Number 4, neighborhood or domestic noise. Household activities like loud music, barking dogs, kitchen appliances, etc. Social gatherings, parties, and events. Causes of noise pollution. Source: transport. Examples: traffic jams, honkings, airplanes, railways. Industrial: machinery, engines, heavy equipments, construction, drilling, hammering, demolition, roadwork. Social events: weddings, concretes, rallies, loudspeakers. Households: televisions, music systems, kitchen gadgets. Others: fireworks, generators, public address systems. Effects of noise pollution on human health: hearing loss, prolonged exposures damages eardrums, sleep disturbance leads to fatigue and mental stress, cardiovascular issues, high blood pressures, heart problems, cognitive issues, affects learning and concentration, especially in children. Physiological effects: irritability, anxiety, depression on environment and wildlife, disrupts natural habits, affects communication in animals, example birds, marine life, can lead to migration, reproduction issues, or death. Preventions and control of noise pollution. To reduce and control noise pollution, a combination of legal, technological, educational, and behavioral measures can be used. Legislative measures: Noise Pollution Regulation and Control Rules 2000, India, defines permissible noise level in different zones: residential, commercial, industrial, silent. Zoning regulation separate noisy industries from residential areas, banning firecrackers and loudspeakers at night, especially between 10 p.m. and 6 p.m. Strict vehicle horn regulation, especially in silent zones, hospitals, schools. Technological measures: soundproofing buildings, use of double glazed windows, thick curtains, and noise absorbing materials, use of silent machinery, encourage industries to use quieter machines and maintain them regularly. Installation of noise barriers around highways, railways, and construction sites, use of green technology, electrical vehicles, and low noise machines. Urban planning and design. Creation of green belts, trees, and shrubs act as natural sound absorbers. Proper road designs, smooth roads reduce honking and friction noise, avoiding congestion, better public transport, traffic management.
Conclusion. Preventing and controlling noise pollution is essential for a healthier, more peaceful environment. It requires active cooperation between government bodies, industries, and individuals. By implementing rules, using better technology, and being more responsible citizens, we can significantly reduce noise pollution and protect both human and ecological health. This representation is prepared by Ejaz Ali, MD Amir Sohail, Kaif Akram, MD Ansar Raja.